it working? Okay, it's working. Let's see how this goes. Okay. So, time to test the Ancient Monkey because I just figured out how to download. It's been a while. Don't judge me. Okay, so should I do no banana farms and let this guy make all the money? Yeah. I'll see how far I can get with that. And if it doesn't go good, I'll switch. Oh, didn't mean to do that. Monkey weapon engineer. Sure, we'll do that. We'll make him look like an archmage. This mod's already really strong. Dual snipers. Azili scales pretty well. Plasma blast scales pretty well. Let's get damage. Damage. This is kind of boring. Ooh, +2 damage. I won't take that. But this range is really bad. Okay, we're good. I can't pop those. Is this better for audio? Think it might be. Okay, I don't know why it keeps getting weighed down. I don't feel like holding this, so I can't hit camos, can I? Oh, I can. Sweet. This is taking too long. I'm getting a banana farm. This is taking way too long. I'm moving this back. And let's hope that works. Okay, and if it doesn't, I don't care. To be honest. Okay, let's start upgrading this. Because I kind of need it. I need something that can deal with camo. Because Azili is not working that well. Please. Please give me something that can deal with camo. I'll take it. It's not the best, but I'll take it. Adora. Lots more darts. Triple shot. Balloon liquefier. Plasma blast. Spiked balls. Crossbow. Etienne. Okay. Now let's get more of these. 2 damage. 3 damage. 1 damage. 2 damage. Oh, sweet, a legendary. Great the luck. I gotta get plantation so I can finally start just using this as my source of money. Place that there. Wait a minute. How far can I push Monkeyopolis? 37,000. I'm just gonna see how far I can push Monkeyopolis. Because it's funny. $105,000. So it's all been in their income, freeing up space for new monkeys. $280. Okay, so I think it infinitely scales. So I'll work on that later. For now, let's make sure I don't lose, because that wouldn't be very good. Oh wait, I forgot about this upgrade. Yeah. Max this out. Or if I can. I don't think I can. And got it. Got that and that. Sure. It should be able to get exotics now, right? Or the level of paragons, gods, whatever it's called for this stupid mod. Okay, this mod is kind of fun to use, I'm gonna be honest. Darts. Just a few of them. I forgot about abilities. Monkeyonomics. This. Should have gone for Perma Phoenix. Summoning Phoenix, because why not? MIB. Monkeyonomics. Blade Maelstrom. Monkeyonomics. Perma Phoenix. UCAV. MIB. Moab Hex. And Perma UCAV. Okay. I think I'm going to stop there on that. 200. So how much will it go up? We're just getting that. It went up to 285. If I do that, back down to 280. Okay, so that breaks it. What about if I was at 280 to upgrade it to Banana Central? 270. Wait, what? It goes down? Okay, so let's not do that and just keep spamming these. Okay, that's good. 590. 30s. Gosh dang. Okay. So I guess it can't absorb T5s, and that's why. Because this is just chilling. Marketplace. The biggest one. Lots more darts. Favored trades. Plantation. Crossbowmaster. Permaspikes. XXL trap. That. Oh, I beat round 100. Ooh! Ascended Shadow! Oh, that's really good. Okay, I think I have enough money making so I can just sell this. Yeah, it'll scale. It should scale at least. So let's just start upgrading. Oh, I should have gone for the godly. There's another upgrade. Forgot about that. Legendary. See, I think that the third upgrade is new, or the second upgrade is newer. So I've never seen it before today. Speaking of how I just downloaded it today, isn't surprising though. Okay, let's see how powerful this thing is. Round 200. You just destroyed that thing. Like, that thing just immediately died. Well. Can't say I'm surprised, though. Let's go to 299. Round 300. Oh god, that plane is laggy. That plane is really laggy. But we're making good progress. Okay, that's not looking good. That's not good. That's really not good. Yeah, I'm gonna be honest, I don't think this thing's losing anytime soon. Yeah, I'm gonna be honest, I don't think this thing is losing anytime soon. So okay, so yeah, it's not working. Bye.